welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my son Jordan, right? Say hi. All right, we are very hungry right now. We're very thirsty and we need to go get some dinner, but we're on the cheap. So we're gonna try to figure out how to save you money and teach you how to get a good deal on dinner. Right now we're headed to 7-Eleven. Today is July 11th and it's Slurpee Day, free Slurpee Day. So we're gonna get free drinks. And once we get those Slurpees, we're gonna head on out and we're gonna go hit some other place for another good deal for food. And we're gonna share that with you as well. So here we go, we're headed to 7-Eleven, Slurpee Day. Okay, so this 7-Eleven is completely packed. I think we're gonna get back on the highway here and go find the next one. Okay, 7-Eleven should be right around the corner here. There it is. What the heck is this? Uh-oh. What's this guy doing?
Out of here.
They ran out of
here. Look at. So I would go down to the other one.
Oh my God! I think it ends at 7 o'clock.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We already went to one over in Elgin, and it's they didn't have any good flavors left.
Yeah.
So
it's amazing. You know.
Oh man! All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe they can give us a consolation prize.
There you go.
All right, they are out of Slurpees here, so we're gonna have to race down to another 7-Eleven. We have 5 minutes. Luckily, we brought the fast car. So this is becoming quite the bummer. No Slurpees at this location. The first location we went to was running out, and they didn't have any good flavors. So now we are racing with 2 minutes left to get to another 7-Eleven. Hopefully they can understand our dilemma and they can hook it up even if we're a little late. Try to go as fast as I can here, but I just cannot risk the ticket. So I owe this kid a Slurpee, we're getting this kid a Slurpee. Up on 7-Eleven number 3. So far so good, no signs in the window saying there's no Slurpees. Alright, let's get in there. We have 1 minute.
We gotta see if they've got Slurpees.
Yeah, we gotta see. We're going to see if we get some Slurpees. What time is it? 7 o'clock on the dot right now? Yeah, we just. What kind do you want? Do you want the blue one? The blue? Yeah, we were in Elgin, then we went to Algonquin up here, and this is Algonquin. What, Lake in the Hills? Whatever, right down the street here.
Today's your lucky day.
Thank you.
Lucky day,
Can you
buddy.
say thank you?
Lucky day.
You're welcome.
We gotta go to the register or anything?
No, you're all
good to
set.
go.
Okay. Does Dad get one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I get a blue one? All right, cool,
We'll
cool.
go on the side.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for understanding. We have been driving
It's
around.
understandable, man. No worries.
All right, thank you very much for understanding our dilemma. You're welcome. Yep. Got your Slurpee?
Yeah.
What color's your Slurpee?
Blue and Daddy's.
Daddy's is blue. What color blue is that?
We have a blue look at.
Oh my gosh, it's the same blue.
Yeah.
All right, now that we have our drinks, it's time to go grab some food. Let's figure out how we're gonna get a cheap meal to go along with our free Slurpees. All right, where do you want to go for dinner? What's over there? McDonald's? We're gonna eat at McDonald's? I guess he wants the McDonald's. All right, here we go.
McDonald's.
Mm-hmm. You got your thing there? We're gonna go to McDonald's now.
Yeah, this is good.
So now you go to McDonald's and you hit your deals button here. So then you get your coupon for the dollar burger. Okay. All right, what did we get here tonight? What did we get? What's in there? You know how much that costs? $1. Because we have the app on our phone with a coupon. And we can use the coupon every single day. Every day we can come to McDonald's and get a burger for $1. And what's this? What do you have in here? What is this? What's that? What is that? Slurpee?
Slush.
No, that's not a slush. That's a Slurpee. It's a Slurpee.
Slush.
So how much did this cost?
Slush.
How much was it? How much money?
Slush.
How much money was it?
Slush.
Okay. This was free. This was free. This was $1. I'd say that's a pretty good day.
Oh, but I'm in there without socks.
All right, so he's gonna go in there and play without socks. So his disease is gonna spread all over this place, so be careful. And we're gonna have our meal and we're gonna get back into Shelby and we're gonna go home. But it was a good night, cheap date with my bud. Right, bud? You have a good night tonight? All right, he really wants to go play in the play place, so.
Oh, without the socks.
Without the socks. Okay, eat your burger.
No, that's both their bars.
Okay, we're both gonna eat it. All right, we're gonna leave McDonald's. You have fun at Playland?
I went in there.
Yes, you did. Did you have your socks on?
No.
Uh-oh, we gotta kick you out of McDonald's now.
No.
Get your butt out of McDonald's. Where's Daddy's car?
This one and this.
Oh, both of them are Daddy's car. Which one's the Jeep? Where's the Jeep, Hayley? Where's the Shelby, Hayley? Where's the Shelby? Hayley, where's the Shelby? Who told you to touch the car? You know you're not supposed to touch that car. Where's Daddy's Shelby? Uh-oh.
Dad tried to get me.
You don't think I can get you? You don't think I can get you? Okay, hold on. Don't go in the street. Don't go in the street.
Try to get me.
Oops.
Try to get me. I can try to get you.
Me? Oh no, he's coming to get me. Oh, who's this? Who's this? Crazy girl.
I got you. Let's do that again.
I'm out of breath, bud.
Let's do that again.
No. All right, we're home now after our very fulfilling quarter pounder and our Slurpee meal for $1. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends. And we'll be back at you with some new videos soon. Check you later. Thanks.